Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a new song. This gets you into tracks view quickly. Make sure you pick any instrument track. You only need a place to drop loops. Tap the loop icon at the top right and choose Apple Loops or Files so your loop browser appears. Once done, browse by instrument, genre, or key to surface compatible loops, because matching key and tempo will avoid pitch or timing conflicts later. Now you add and shape loops so your song takes form. Drag any loop from the browser into the track area. Garageband snaps it to the grid. You can pinch to zoom, drag region edges to trim, or long press, and choose split to cut precisely. Make sure to set the song tempo and key in song settings so loops align. If a loop sounds off, try enabling follow tempo or use transpose to shift by semitones until it fits. Finish by balancing and exporting your mix. You'll hear how parts interact. Tweak track volume and pan, add EQ or reverb using smart controls, and test playback from start to end. When satisfied, tap My Songs, hold the project thumbnail, share right arrow song, and pick quality to export. If a loop drifts in timing or sounds out of key, make sure follow tempo is enabled or transpose the region up or down by semitones. That single tweak usually solves mismatch problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.